It's food o'clock on Real Ale Craft Beer, and it's time to get into another pack of chicken tenders from Aldi. We previously reviewed the Husson chicken tenders, which were very nice with spring onions. I kind of had a bit of a love and a hate relationship with them, because on the one hand, if you ordered this food from a street food vendor, it would definitely cost you £10. If you bought, of course, on the other hand, if you then bought a pack of chicken tenders from a supermarket and a bottle of Husson sauce, it would work out probably a lot cheaper for you to do it that way. So these boxes come in at £3.50. This is the Pakora chicken tenders with a sweet curry dip. 335 grams on the back of the box from Aldi, but it's £3.50 in price. They do taste good. I will make no bones about it. They do taste good. But can you make this yourself with a bag of chicken strips or tenders or nuggets, whatever you want to call it? It's all chicken in breadcrumb, isn't it? With a Pakora sauce or with a Husson sauce. Can you make it for cheaper? And then you have that added argument of, look, it comes in its own little cardboard box. You can pour the food in this cardboard box, and I kid you not, it looks exactly the same as something which is offered by a street food vendor. So there's swings and there's roundabouts. These go in the air fryer for about 12 minutes, cook from 12 minutes in a regular oven, or they're suitable for the air fryer, and it's proudly made with 100% chicken breast. There we go. There's all the statements there from Aldi. Here's the chicken. Even the cat's interested. Look at that. There's the frozen chicken. It looks pretty good. Let's get it in the air fryer. I'm going to say 200 degrees for 15 minutes. In it goes. Can you see it? In it goes. There we go. And I'll be back when it's cooked. Right, I'm going to say straight away that this chicken is about to be cooked. And this room, this conservatory that I'm standing in, has never smelt so good. There we are. Tickety-boo, all done, ready to serve. It smells fantastic in this room. It smells like an Indian takeaway. And that's no bad thing, is it? There's the chicken. I put it in for... I'm going to use the cardboard bowl. I was debating whether to go with it. Let's do it. Let's put it in the box that it was supposed to be in. This is now looking a bit like street food that you would get from a street food vendor. The chicken, there you go. Lovely and golden. The smell, it smells incredible. Let's break one open. Ooh. Didn't want to snap. That was kind of slightly, yeah. Oh, it's hot. It's like kind of rubbery chicken. Oh. Now they promised, they promised 100% chicken breast. You can see it there on the box. That doesn't look like chicken breast to me. That looks, feels and tastes like thigh meat. But yeah, that's thigh meat. That's not chicken breast. Perhaps it was a slip up. Perhaps it was just the one. The one that got away. But it's juicy. It's flavoursome. I'm now gonna, we've got our curry sauces here that is added, and we're gonna just add the, we're gonna add the curry sauce to the mix here. There we go. We'll get the two out as intended. I've got no use for a secondary pack of curry sauce. Oh, it's a fruity curry. It's not a it's not like a hot curry sauce. This is more of a fruity curry, chip shop curry sauce flavour. So this is essentially what you get for your £3.50. This is what you're looking at. This is what you get. We've juiced them up a bit. We've put them in the air fryer. We've got some curry sauce on them. Let's get in then. I'm in a very similar situation as I was with the hoisin chicken from Aldi here, this kind of street food type gastro chicken nugget thing that they're offering. Pakora chicken, curry sauce, £3.50 for a box. There's not a lot there, is there? There's not a lot there. And I suppose that can be accused in regards to street food in general. If you went to a Sunday market, we all have our Sunday markets, or we used to. If you went to a Sunday market in the 1990s and ordered like a Sunday lunch chicken and parsley wrap with gravy, it would probably cost you £4 and it would be massive, absolutely huge. And then all of a sudden it didn't become like just a market vendor anymore serving food. It becomes street food. The year 2020, it all become about street food. And it was all almost like a rebranding. It was a rebranding of that kind of classic market town food that you used to order, where they pile it high, sell it cheap. The rebranding made it into more of a, make it better, but sell less of it. You're not really getting your money's worth anymore. And I think people are annoyed by that generally. I think people are generally like, they feel like they've had their pants pulled down a little bit. Sorry. I went to my local foodies festival last year and this year, and there was a noticeable difference in people. Last year's was full of people. This year there weren't so many people, and this is the point. People will only be conned once. You cannot carry on conning people. You cannot carry on going, haha, look at this £12 bowl of chicken that's really worth about £4, and please come back next year. It's not going to happen. And I get a sense, I do get a sense, more so with this dish. It smells great, it tastes great from Aldi. It's £3.50. But I'm pretty sure in the very same supermarket you can probably buy a bigger bag of chicken strips. You can buy yourself a bottle of curry sauce, and you can probably save yourself even more money. These are nice. There's a nice buzz from the chili and the spice and the curry sauce that's on my palate. It's a nice bit of chicken. I'm not going to mess about here. It's tasty. The first bit was a bit funny. The rest of it has been fantastic. Nicely battered, lovely curry sauce. If you want to pay £3.50 for it and just get on with it and eat it, then that's up to you. But I still think there's more money to be saved. I still think if you bought a pack of Aldi chicken strips and a bottle of curry sauce, you could probably save yourself even more money. So I'm going to give these a 7 out of 10. 7 out of 10 from Real Ale Craft Beer. Please put your comments in the comments box. Subscribe to our daily beer and food reviews. Give us a big fat thumbs up. Boom. Cheers.